Now that you've finessed the look of the scene, you're ready to export the project so you can share it with the world. You can also open the Part 6 project file and just start from there. You could render this composition straight out of After Effects using the render queue, but for final export, I recommend using Adobe Media Encoder. Select the comp in the project window, go up to the Composition menu, and choose Add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue. This will launch Media Encoder if it's not already running, and will add the comp to the list of items to be rendered. Most likely, that list will contain just this one comp. If you already have Media Encoder running, you can also drag comps directly from After Effects into the Render Queue window. In this window, you can choose from a wide variety of options for output. For web delivery, I usually choose H.264 as a format, Match Source High Bitrate as a preset, which keeps the resolution and frame rate and renders it at very good quality. There are lots and lots of presets in the column on the right, and you can create your own or modify them to suit your needs. But once you use one, it should show up as a default the next time you render something. So once I get a routine down, the most likely thing I'll change is the output file name or path, which I get to by clicking here. Simply click the green arrow to start encoding, and because you're using Media Encoder, you're now free to go back to After Effects and continue working, which is awesome. By contrast, if you render straight out of After Effects, you can't continue to use After Effects until that rendering is complete. Once the render is finished, you can quickly navigate to the final render by just clicking on the name link in the queue.
Nice. Whoa, what is... Look up, up left, up left, up left. What? Zoom in. What is that? Is that a drone?